Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. So our topic today is how to turn off comments on YouTube. Here are the steps on how to disable comment. Number 1, go to YouTube Studio. Number 2, select videos under the dashboard. Number 3, select any videos you want to disable comment. Number 4, press setting icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Number 5, turn off allow comments. And don't forget to save it. It's in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's check if the comment section is disabled on that video. And see, it is turned off. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Alright.